Australia?
The Indian Ocean. Hello. Today I want to answer the questions from my mom of geography. Okay.
Question number 1. What is the name of the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount
What?
Everest.
Yes, good. Question number 2. What country is shaped like a Christian moon and has Istanbul as under of city?
Turkey.
Good. Number 3. Which country is famous for its ancient city of Athens?
Greece.
Good. What continent is home to lions, giraffes, and elephants?
Africa.
Good. What is the capital city of England?
London.
Lihatnya ke kamera. Apa?
London.
Good. Question number 6. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia?
The Indian Ocean.
What is the name of the desert in Australia?
The Victoria Desert.
Yang kecil?
The Victoria Desert.
Yes. Next, which country is both a city and a country? Have a same name.
Singapore.
What is the name of the strait separating Asia and North America?
Right.
Good. Last question. Which South America country is famous for tango dancing and beef?
I know. Argentina.
No.